How to understand yips in golf. Causes, history, and solutions. The yips are one of the most feared phenomena in golf. Sudden and often unexplainable loss of control over short putts. For many golfers, the yips turn what should be a simple stroke into an unpredictable and frustrating experience. This guide explores what the yips are, their history, potential causes, and how golfers can work to overcome them. What are the yips? In golf, the yips refer to a sudden, involuntary loss of control during short putts. This condition often manifests as jerky or shaky movements that disrupt a golfer's stroke, leading to missed putts that would normally be routine. While the yips are most commonly associated with putting, they can also affect other parts of the game, such as chipping or pitching. Golfers experiencing the yips often feel as though their muscles are betraying them, and the condition can range from mild inconsistency to completely losing confidence on the green. The history of the yips. The term yips is believed to have originated in golf, though it is now used in other sports as well. The exact origin of the word is unclear, but its use became popular in the mid-20th century. Famous golfers, including Tommy Armour, who dubbed the yips the golfer's polio, brought attention to the phenomenon. Over the years, many players have struggled with the yips, including legendary professionals. The condition has been studied extensively, as its sudden onset can derail even the most seasoned golfer's game. Causes of the yips. The exact causes of the yips are still debated, but they are typically attributed to a combination of psychological and physiological factors. How to recognize the yips. If you're unsure whether you're experiencing the yips, here are some signs to watch for. Involuntary jerks or twitches during the stroke, hesitation or overthinking before taking a shot, a sudden and unexplained drop in putting performance, increased frustration, and lack of confidence on the greens. Interesting facts about the yips. Not just golf, the term yips is now used in other sports like baseball and darts, where players experience similar loss of control. Tommy Armour's struggle. The famous golfer Tommy Armour coined the term after experiencing the yips himself, ending his competitive career. Technology's role. Modern putting aids and tools have helped many golfers diagnose and manage the yips more effectively. Conclusion. The yips can be a daunting challenge, but they're far from unbeatable. By understanding their causes and implementing thoughtful strategies, golfers can regain control and confidence on the green. Whether it's through relaxation techniques, changes in routine, or professional guiding, overcoming the yips is possible with persistence and patience. Next time you step onto the green, remember, even the best players have faced the yips and come out stronger on the other side.